Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome, my brothers and sisters, to the new session where we will speak about how to install this Quran program in our lives as we did with the Salah. So similar to the Salah program, we have to treat this like a program in order to see benefits and attain results. So we must start bottom up. What is the first basic level of Quran that requires almost no effort? That is to listen to the Quran often. If you find yourself far from Quran, you don't enjoy Quran, start by treating yourself with the medicine of listening to the Quran. You might not enjoy it, but no, do it. Because there is no other solution except the Quran. Except the Quran. This is the easiest way to start if the person is detached from the Quran. Listening to the Quran often will remove the rust of heedlessness and sins from the heart. As the Quran goes in the mind and the heart, it will clean the rust. When you start feeling comfortable with this and begin to enjoy, then move on to the next step. Start listening 10 minutes at a time, 5 minutes, but listen every day. Program every day. Increase 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Just sit down and enjoy the words of your Lord subhanahu wa ta'ala. Let it cleanse. It's cleansing. It's therapy, spiritual therapy. When you begin to enjoy it, then level up. Level 2 is learn how to recite the Quran. Learn how to recite the Quran. Come to Wahy Institute. Contact us. We'll connect you with the best program to teach you in the best way how to recite the Quran. With the least amount of effort and the least amount of time, learn how to recite the Quran. Learn how to recite the Quran with tajweed, with the rules that Allah Azza wa Jalla wants us to recite with. This requires a little more effort than just simply listening to it. Because you have to go to the class and you have to learn little by little. Take 2 days a week class, minimum, to start the journey. And of course, subhanallah, the reward will be multiplied because the effort is being multiplied many folds. The Prophet ﷺ, he said, Al-Mahiru bil-Qur'ani ma'as-safarati al-kiram al-barrah. The one who is an expert in reciting Quran, he will be with as-safara al-kiram al-barrah. These honorable, highest level, the most pure of the angels, the highest level of the angels. He will be with them. والذي يقرأ القرآن ويتتعتع فيه وهو عليه شاق فله أجران. But the one who recites Quran and struggles with it, he has 2 rewards. One for reciting and one for his struggle. Nothing goes to waste, my brothers and sisters. So this journey of learning how to recite the Quran 2 days a week can take anywhere from 6 months to a year of commitment. It's a journey to make your recitation of Quran at a satisfactory level. And thereafter, subhanallah, he should assign a daily wird, a habitual portion, habit of daily reciting the Quran with a routine, starting with a small portion. Start with half a page. When you see that it's easy, increase to 1 page. When you see that it's easy, and between all of this, it should be what? A month, 2 months, right? Begin half page, recite for 2 months, 3 months. When you see it's very easy, then increase. Work in a gradual fashion, little by little. And only increase when you know you are fully able to do it. Learn to read your soul. And don't burden over your soul more than it can handle. Because لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا wus'aha. Allah does not burden the soul more than it can handle. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My brothers and sisters, if you are enjoying this course, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe down below and click on the bell icon so you never miss a course. Please share this course with your family and friends to multiply your reward and benefit. It helps us a lot to create content like this for everyone. When you learn how to recite the Quran and you're loving it now and there's a daily wird of recitation of Quran, then you level it up. You begin to understand the Quran. So as you recite, this requires a little bit more effort, because now as you recite, you're going to read translation. You're going to read the tafsir, Ibn Kathir or other tafsir. So there will come a time when you will yearn to understand these words that you're reciting of your Lord subhanahu wa ta'ala. So you add a little more effort to read the translation or tafsir alongside the daily reading. Then there will come a time when he is ready to struggle to learn the Arabic language, because he understands that when I learn the Arabic language, I'll understand the words of Allah directly. And of course, Arabic language requires certain effort. Again, step by step. And when you get to this level, you will level up. And that is what? Now that you love the Quran, you love listening to the Quran, you love reciting the Quran, you love understanding the Quran, this is a connection that you have with the Quran, the bonding that you have with the Quran, the love that you have for the Quran. Now, what will happen when you use this Quran as a ruqyah, as a cure? Many people don't do this. Using Quran as a ruqyah, to recite the Quran as the Prophet ﷺ taught us, to recite Surah Al-Fatiha, to recite Ayatul Kursi, to recite the last 2 ayat of Surah Al-Baqarah, to recite the last 3, the Mu'awwidhat. Like every night the Prophet ﷺ used to recite Mu'awwidhat, Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahu samad, this surah, Surah Al-Falaq and Surah Al-Nas, blow in his palms, and he would wipe his body. He would wipe his body to seek healing from the words of Allah Azza wa Jal. Blow on your children. Blow on your spouse. When you get a headache, take Advil, because medicine is from the qadr of Allah Azza wa Jal. But why not recite Fatiha upon your head once as a ruqyah, to seek cure from Allah Azza wa Jal first and foremost, and then go take Advil? Why not? If your child falls down and hurts himself, why not place your hand there and do ruqyah upon them? It will have effect, because وَنُنَزِّلُ مِنَ الْقُرْآنِ مَا هُوَ شِفَاء. Allah said we sent down from the Quran that which is shifa. It's healing, physical healing, spiritual healing, mental healing. Quran. So, subhanallah, use it as a healing. And when you love doing that, level it up. And that is level number 5. And that is the hardest, because it's a commitment to the Quran, memorizing the Quran. Because a student who decides to memorize any portion of the Quran, then he's signing up to commit his life to the Quran. This is because it requires daily revision in order to retain what he has memorized. And again, 3 things we said, they will help you. Number 1, constant dua. Number 2, perseverance. Number 3, suhbatul salihin. Be with others who are doing the same things. It will help you. It will help you. Seek aid in Allah Azza wa Jal. Thank Allah for allowing you to do what you're able to do. Seek aid in Him subhanahu wa ta'ala. Persevere. Be with others who are doing this. And do understand that if you're finding Quran hard for yourself, there is no other solution except Quran. That is the solution. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept from us and allow us to bond ourselves to the Quran. Allahumma ameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.